Okay, today you have to do this exercise, page number 49. The reading part is over, isn't it? So you very well know the story. Now you have to do this questions. Write true or false. The camel was a hard-working animal. Is it true or false? False. The horse, the dog, and the ox had to work double time. Is it true or false? True. The dog's name was Bubbles. False. The man left the camel alone as he would not work. True. The jinn gave the camel his hump. True. Next is choose the correct options. Who asked the camel to fetch and carry? Dog. So put a tick mark on the box. Who was excruciating idle one? What is the answer, children? Option B is the correct answer. Camel. The question answers already I had given you, right? Okay, now come to the next work. Pick out the meanings of the words given below from the words in the box. Tragic. What is the another word? What is the synonym? Sad. Abate. Decrease. Fusion. Mixture. Ample. Plenty. Obligatory. Compulsory. Concede. Admit. Immense. Huge. Detain. Delay. Renowned. Famous. Imminent. Near. Okay? So you have to write in the book itself. Now the next work. How many 3, 4 or 5 letter words can you make from the following bubbles? That you can do it yourself. I don't think you need the help. Isn't it? It's very simple. You try to do it. In case if there is any problem, you please let me know. The next work, given below are some sentences. Write A if the sentences is assertive. This work also already you have done, but even then you can check the answer now. Okay. How beautiful it looks. Which kind of sentence? Exclamatory. Finish the work by tomorrow. Imperative. I like to go for a walk. It's assertive. Who switched on the fan? Interrogative. Seema went to see the fair. Assertive. What an interesting story. Exclamatory. Where did you find the dog? Interrogative. Wait here till your mother comes. Imperative. Okay. So next work, you have to rearrange the groups of words to form meaningful sentences, and where you have to add capital letters and punctuation marks where needed. An interesting story told me my mother. So I have to, how you have to do this? You have to put the words in right order. My mother told me, my mother told me an interesting story. put the numbers first so that you can easily write. My mother told me an interesting story. You have to begin with capital here and put full stop at the end. With excitement, when he found Rohan jumped his lost puppy. So how you have to write? Rohan jumped with excitement when he found his lost puppy. So what is the first you have to write? Rohan jumped with excitement when he found his lost puppy. So the next one. Is grazing of cows the herd in the field? The herd is grazing. The herd of cows, that is number 2, is grazing 3 in the field. The herd of cows is grazing in the field. See the numbers properly. Okay. Now the next one. I love, put there number 1, my grandfather because he is a kind man. I love my grandfather because he is a kind man. Next one. He wanted to go to see the film. He wanted to go to see the film. Why I am asking you to put the numbers? So that you can see the numbers and write in the proper order, so that there won't be any mistakes. The next one. Let us go for a walk in the evening. Let us go for a walk in the evening. Next sentence. I like to eat here at this restaurant because the chef is an expert. I like to eat here at this restaurant because the chef is an expert. Next one. My elder brother taught me to play cricket. My elder brother taught me to play cricket. Okay, so this work you have to do in copy. This is your copy work. So how you have to do? First you have to put the date and all, then rearrange the groups of words as it is. First you have to copy the question as it is, then you have to write the answer below. Last year I taught you now how to do it. You have to put a arrow mark, or else you have to write the answer. Then you have to see the numbers and set the sentence in right order. Okay, hope you all understood. Now the next work, this you can do it in your textbook itself. Okay, Underline both the main as well as the helping verbs in the following sentences. We are going to South Africa for our holidays. So here what is the helping verb here? Are. Underline the word are, then going. Going is the verb. My friend moved to Mumbai. Here what is the verb? Moved. Are you going to play with me? What is the helping word here? Are. What is the verb? Going. Do you know someone who can paint a portrait? What is the verb here? Paint. We drove to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. What is the verb here? Drove. They were waiting for us on the beach. What is the verb here? Here it is the were. They were, helping verb. Waiting. Waiting is the verb. My sister went to the party. What is the verb here? Went. Underline the word went. Now, I don't like to watch too much television. What is the verb here? Like. The rabbit burrowed a hole in the garden. What is the verb here? Burrowed. Astronaut explored the moon. What is the verb? Explode. Okay. So underline the verbs and the helping verbs. Now come to the next work. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in brackets. The bird and squirrel dash drinking water from the bowl. Here was or were. The bird and the squirrel. Bird and squirrel. So what is the verb to be used here? Helping verb to be used? Were. Manoj dash finished the homework. Manoj has finished his homework. His dog bites anyone who goes near it. You must speak politely to everyone. My mother always makes me drink a glass of milk in the morning. Okay. So this work, do it in book itself, in your textbook. This also in your textbook. This work, only this work you have to do in your classwork copy. Understood? The rest of the work, do it in your book itself. Okay? So go through it. If you have any doubt, you can send a message. Okay? Okay children, take care. Bye.